Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will building a PC of around 80,000 rupees and is focused for all type of workloads like gaming, editing and graphic oriented works. And I will also tell you the current prices of all PC components I have purchased during this lockdown. Check out description of this video as I have provided the links of all PC components there as you can directly purchase from those links and provide support to our channel. So friends, watch full video because I will share some very useful tips in the last of this video that how to get cheaper PC parts online. So let's start our video. First I will show you our power supply. This is B700H from Gigabyte and this is semi-modular, not modular as mentioned here, as all specifications are listed on the back side. This is a 80 plus bronze certified and also comes with a 5-year warranty. I am using currently a 700 watt PSU and I got this at around 4,800 rupees online. And for CPU, I have chosen this Ryzen 5 3600X. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor and for me it's enough for now with a 4.4 GHz max boost. This is a value for money processor and I have got this at around 18,000 rupees online. Let's check out our just released B550 motherboard and I finally purchased this B550 Aorus from Gigabyte and the price is also mentioned there, a little bit high, and on the back all specifications are mentioned as it has 10 plus 3 digital VRM, enlarged MOSFET heatsinks, gaming LAN, ALC 1200 audio codec, and supports 2 ARGB and 3 RGB headers as you can sync all RGB fans with RGB Fusion 2.0 software, and at the bottom all connectivity ports are mentioned. I got this at around 11,000 rupees. Here it is our graphic card GeForce RTX 2060 from Zotac Gaming with 6 GB DDR6 memory. Also supports ray tracing and on the back side we can see all specifications over there and prices is also mentioned there, 43,500 rupees, but I got this at around 26,000 rupees from online. Quite good GPU for this price, and I will say whatever your budget is, spend more on CPU and GPU for more performance. And for SSD, I picked up MX500 500 GB SSD from Crucial, and this would provide some good read and write speeds to our system. And I would recommend to purchase above 240 GB NVMe SSD because NVMe SSD had quite good read and write performance. I purchased this online at around 5,800 rupees. 500 GB is not enough, so we are using a 2 terabyte 7200 RPM hard disk from Seagate, in which we will be storing all our primary data into this. RAM, we will be using our newly released HyperX Fury RGB RAM that is from Kingston, having a lifetime warranty. This is 16 GB 3200 MHz for this build and I will soon upgrade to 32 GB. I also have a Toshiba 500 GB hard disk from my older Pentium PC that contain lot of important files into it. Cabinet that we will be using for this build is IS200TG from Anti-Sports, and I love the build quality of this cabinet. As we can see in the front, X-shaped RGB strips are given, and at the top of the case all connectivity ports are there along with SD card reader. RGB button is also there to control the RGB effects on the front. And guys, you have noticed that a magnetic dust filter is also given for proper ventilation, as it comes with a tempered glass on the side with side vents for cooling, and comes with a pre-installed RGB fan at the back side to exhaust hot air. And in future you can add more 120 fans for better cooling. Here I am showing RGB effects that we can change. I am curious to check out our newly released Gigabyte B550M Aorus Pro, as we get two SATA cables, user manual and one Aorus logo in the box. It is a micro ATX motherboard, comes with two M.2 and two PCIe slots. One of them is Gen 4. It has lot of connectivity option including USB Type C, and a BIOS flash button is also given in the IO panel. And guys, I had already uploaded a video on best budget B550 motherboards, so check out in the above I button, and the link of that video is also in the description. Let's put our processor out of the box, and currently I am using a stock cooler, but in future I will definitely replace it with a better air cooler. But be careful because thermal paste is pre-applied on the cooler. First we have to just unlock the socket on the motherboard, and we have to put our processor in that socket. But first we have to match golden triangle in the corner of the processor with the triangle on the socket. That's it. Then lock the socket on the motherboard. Let's quickly install our stock cooler. Here is our HyperX Fury RGB. I am using 16GB module 3200 MHz CL16 for this build, and in the future I will soon upgrade to 32 gigs of RAM as per my needs. Let's put our power supply out of the box, and in the box we got some cables, some screws, and also some zip ties for cable management. That's it. So let's finish our assembling part. So friends, my PC is ready now, and it cost around 80,000 rupees, in which monitor and other peripherals are not included. The monitor which I am using is LG 22-inch IPS monitor, and I had purchased all my PC parts from Prime ABGV and Vedant Computers. I got quite cheaper in comparison to all other options available right now, and I had provided the link of all PC components in the description of this video. And if you find useful, please like this video. Thank you guys.